In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet with two monitors. This setup can significantly enhance your Google Meet experience by allowing you to separate the video call from any content you want to share. So let's dive in and set everything up. First things first, let's ensure that your computer is ready for a dual monitor setup. You'll need to connect both monitors to your computer. This might involve using HDMI, DisplayPort, or even USB-C connections, depending on your specific monitors and computer. If you're unsure about the connections, take a quick peek at your monitors and computer ports to ensure compatibility. Once both monitors are successfully connected, we'll proceed to adjusting your display settings. For Windows users, this next step is straightforward. You'll want to use the Windows plus P keyboard shortcut. This will open a project menu on the side of your screen. From this menu, you'll select the Extend option. What this does is extend your display settings rather than duplicate them. Extending your display allows you to have your desktop environment spread across both screens, effectively doubling your workspace. With your display settings extended, it's time to open up Google Meet. Launch your preferred web browser, navigate to Google Meet, and join a meeting. You'll notice the Google Meet window usually opens up on whatever your primary monitor is. For the purpose of streamlining your workflow during your meeting, we're going to make use of both monitors effectively. Go ahead and click and drag the Google Meet window over to one of your monitors, the one that you prefer to use for your video call. This will leave your second monitor free, which you can use to present your shared content. This setup is ideal for maintaining eye contact and ensures you aren't distracted while you present, as you can keep all your focus outward towards your video call participants. Now, let's move on to sharing content. Back in your Google Meet call, you'll look for the Present Now button, which can typically be found at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to see your options. Here, you'll have the choice to share your entire screen or just a specific window. Since you're using two monitors, you'll want to select your entire screen, which will enable you to pick the second monitor to share. If you have specific applications or documents on the second screen, simply choose a window to share just what you need without having to share everything on that monitor. This allows you to maintain privacy on other content and share only relevant information during your meeting. And that's it, you've successfully set up Google Meet with two monitors, allowing you to have more control over your presentation and video call experience. Enjoy the enhanced interaction and seamless sharing capabilities this setup provides. Happy presenting!